So here I am in my kitchen, and believe it or not, I'm about to make my kids a salad. Yes, that's right, you heard me right. They're gonna eat some salad, and we have a little system going on for how I get them to eat salad. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. I got spring mix, avocado, cucumber. I'm gonna make a dressing with some raw lemon, and I got a tomato here, and I got some green leaf lettuce that I'm gonna cut up as well. So it's just kind of basic ingredients for a salad, but this is raw food for the kids, and they actually asked me to make them this salad because we have a bargain system. Okay, so I spiralized this cucumber, and the kids really love the spiralized cucumber. It really makes it fun, and it's a yummy way. It works with zucchini too, and I also spiralize apples for the salad, and I don't have any apples today, but I'm just showing you that the spiralizer is an amazing way for the kids to have some fun in their salad. Okay, that's the cucumber. We're putting on some tomato here. So you can see this is a yummy, yummy salad. We got a half of an avocado, just put some of that on there. All right, see, so this is like a real salad, and these kids are gonna eat this real salad. The next is the dressing, and I'll show you that in a sec. Okay, we're gonna make the dressing. This is a raw vegan dressing. So we start with a lemon in our little personal blender, whatever. You can use the Magic Bullet, NutriBullet. I have a TriBest personal blender. So I'm gonna juice one lemon. Okay, we got the juice of one lemon. Then I add apple cider vinegar, just about a tablespoon or two. Just depends on this, not too much. Okay, then I add dried onion and garlic. Just a little splash of these. Then I add a dried basil, pinch of that. And now I like to make it creamy. I add raw hemp seeds, about a tablespoon. And the next ingredient is I add a date, a medjool date, and I add this for sweetness, rather than adding any other kind of sugar. This keeps it raw, 100% raw so far. And we're going to do the last thing, which is a pinch of salt. I use the sea salt with lots of minerals. So I add enough salt to where it's, tasty and flavorful for the kids, Alright, so that's the ingredients, all raw ingredients. Add just a tiny bit of water, and we're going to blend it up. Okay, here's the raw dressing. It's absolutely amazing. You can look in there, it's creamy and yummy and flavorful, and the kids love it. Okay, we've sat down with our salads, and here's the dressing. I'm going to pour the dressing on in just a minute here, but I wanted to talk about what our bargain is. So the kids are eating this wonderful raw vegan salad with 100% raw vegan dressing, and we bargained for lollipops. I have a bag of organic lollipops that we get at Whole Foods, and they get a lollipop if they eat their salad, and they like that idea, and they love that, right, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like the salad, right?
Yeah.
And you like the dressing that we make for it?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's great. And this isn't something that happened right away. This is something we've worked toward. Little by little, we've transitioned to eating salads with 100% raw dressing, and the kids get a treat in exchange, and it works out really well. So I'm going to pour the dressing on. There we go. All right, enjoy, girls. Okay, the girls finished their salad, and now we have my end of the bargain, which is a lollipop. Isis wanted grape, and Arya wanted mango, and those are organic lollipops. And girls, you like Daddy's plan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, they like it. And you like the raw food that I feed you, right?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, right, Arya?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, see? So it's a win-win for everybody. The girls get raw food, Dad's happy, and the girls get a treat. And we do, of course, keep the treats pretty limited, and it's only in exchange for raw food. And see, what my plan is the more raw food they eat when they're this age, the more they'll crave it when they're grown up. And then that sets them up for a lifetime of good habits. So that's my goal, girls, to give you a lifetime of good habits. Because Daddy loves you. All right, say goodbye to everybody who's watching.
Bye.
Bye.